Hi! In front of me is TCL 30 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Privacy section. In it, tap on Permission Manager and then click on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like location. Now you need to select one of your apps. I will go with Chrome. Then apply one of the available options by clicking on the chosen one. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up the first one, so when I click and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's location if I'm using this browser. But you can always click on any feature and look for an app that you are interested in. So, for example, I will go into Microphone to access my camera. Now, instead of picking one of those options, click on See All Camera Permissions at the bottom and manage all of them only for chosen app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!